Who says that grilling can't be fancy? Today, I am going to be giving you a fancier dish, I have to say, for this summer. And it's going to be a nice chicken leg quarter with some awesome white wine mustard sauce to go with it. So let's make this shit, people. This one was great. Summer. Everyone likes to grill during the summer, and we have been in the summer, and it is unfortunately getting closer and closer to closing out. But that doesn't mean we can't still grill, people. Let's get out there and let's keep grilling. And today's recipe is honestly going to be very, very delicious. What I'm going to be making today is chicken leg quarters with a beautiful garlic and white wine sauce and some awesome freaking grilled vegetables to go alongside it. Doesn't matter if you have a flat top, regular grill, propane, charcoal, or you just have your cast iron pan or your pan in the kitchen. It doesn't matter. You can make this dish. It's all gonna taste good. And without further ado, people, let's make this shit. Stay tuned. All right, this is going to be a really quick, easy, straightforward recipe. So I've got some chicken leg quarters here. I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of fresh ground pepper to both sides of the chicken. The same for some kosher salts. I am also going to drop on some avocado oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you want. Oil these bad boys up. And then I'm going to go ahead and zest one lemon as well, just to give them that nice citrusy flavor that we're looking for. We want some acid on this. While the grill is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the sauce. So I've got a shallot here, which I'm going to dice up. I'm just going to give it a nice rough chop before I put it into a hot pan to start searing it. All right, after that, I'm going to go ahead and drop in some olive oil into a hot pan here, heat that up, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop in the shallots. So we don't want to burn the shallots. We just want to get them to a nice grill. So nice browning on them is what we're really looking for here. Okay, so the grill is ready. So I'm going to start the chicken leg quarters. I'm going to start grilling those up, and then I'm going to go back to the sauce, and I have about 6 cloves of garlic that I minced, and I'm going to add that to the pan, toast those, get them a nice brown, and I'm also going to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Give that a quick stir, let it brown up a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in some butter. About a tablespoon of butter is what we're looking for here, so about a heaping tablespoon of butter. Mix that in. This is the base for our sauce. I'm also going to add in some fresh thyme. So it's up to you how much thyme you want to use, but I used about a teaspoon of fresh thyme. And yes, we all know thyme can be very, very annoying with the stems, but it's all good. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in about half a cup of white wine. And at this point, I felt like it needed a little bit more mustard, so I added about 1 more to 2 more tablespoons of mustard and gave that a nice mix. Brought it to a boil because we want to cook off that alcohol. And then, of course, finish it off with some pepper and salt to taste. And that is the sauce. Next up, I've got some zucchini here, some yellow and green zucchini, which I am going to slice and salt and pepper and throw on the grill as well because we needed our veggies. Veggies are good for us. After this, I also chopped up some onions, threw everything on the grill, and yeah, brought the chicken to the proper internal temp. Check your CDC for proper internal temp for your chicken. You don't want to eat raw chicken that's undercooked. And yeah, we're ready to plate, people. I try to get pretty fancy with this one, so I started with the sauce, and I have to say my plating wasn't the best this day, but whatever. So put down the sauce, and then I went ahead and started putting down our zucchini here, and then of course our chicken as well, and the onions too. And yeah, I gotta say, people, this one was awesome. All right, and we are all done. So this is the most amazing part. So here it is. Well, here's the thing. So we're gonna go ahead and try this and see how it came out, right? Plating looks all right. Not the best. Wow. What the hell did I just make? This is so damn good. This is so damn good. And honestly, you have to try this out. You have to make it. It's so easy. So damn easy to do. Elevate your game on an easy level. And yeah, I'm gonna eat this shit. And cheers. I'm out. Thank you. Until next time.